In this video, we'll talk about the two post offices under pin code 689624 in Alappuzha, Kerala. Let's see each one in detail. The first post office is Ennakkar, a sub-office that offers delivery services. Its address is Postmaster, Ennakkar Sub-Office, Alappuzha, Kerala, India 689624. The second post office is Peringilipuram, a branch office that offers delivery services. Its address is Postmaster, Peringilipuram Branch Office, Alappuzha, Kerala, India 689624.